Hello friends! Look at this capsicum shaped flower pot. Here I am Rupali and welcome back to my channel. This is made up of Vase cup. It looks really amazing and you all can use this to decorate your home. It's a best handmade home decor idea. So watch the video till end to understand better that how you all can use your home waste item to make them beautiful just like this. For more interesting videos, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to stay notified. And you all can also follow me on my Insta, FB and on Twitter also. Link is in the description box. So let's get started.